Uncharted. While breading and ability obviously set one chicken strip apart from another, they're all essentially the same, right? Sasa Mandrapa, owner and executive chef of Novo Dolce, a gastropub with a disposition for doing things a little differently, would definitely disagree.
Our version of fried bologna sandwich, pimento cheese. We use mortadella, which is Italian-style bologna.
Okay.
So it's got a whole black peppercorns and pistachios. Different version of southern bologna sandwich. And an apple slaw. Something different.
Oh, man. You know, I can taste my childhood in that, you know. This is incredible, man.
When you love what you do, the rest of it's easy, I guess.
Right?
And I like playing with the taste buds. Everything food-wise is my version of what I think that would make it better.
The food at Novo Dolce is not only inspired by a host of different influences, it's inspiring more than just my taste buds. Because between the philosophy of food forward and the synergy of working with other local entrepreneurs, the folks here are creating a culture as layered as the dishes featured on this fresh menu. Like Bowling Green, the list of specials is limited, but that clearly allows those crafting them to focus on making them exceptional. And that's a principle I'll raise a pint to anytime.